The next AI hardware race may have started in court, not on a keynote stage. Apple has accused OpenAI of stealing trade secrets for its device push. OpenAI denies wrongdoing. So this is an allegation, not a verdict. But the claim is explosive because it is bigger than one file. Apple says former employees carried knowledge about design, manufacturing, and suppliers. The complaint names former Apple people tied to OpenAI's hardware work. One allegation says access continued after a job move. Another says interviews became a way to surface protected component knowledge. This matters because OpenAI is no longer only a cloud AI company. It wants hardware, a physical interface for assistance. Once AI leaves the screen, manufacturing becomes strategy. The battleground shifts from model scores to the object in your hand. That is why the rupture is so sharp. Apple and OpenAI were recently partners inside consumer devices. Now one side says the other's hardware ambition is tainted. A court will decide what was stolen, if anything. But the business lesson is already visible. In AI, talent moves fast, so every hardware company has to treat hiring like a security event. The secrets are not just blueprints. They are process, suppliers, timing, and taste. That makes AI hardware more expensive than it looked. The future assistant may need lawyers before it gets a launch date. If Apple wins even part of this argument, the message is simple. Do not just protect the model. In the next phase of AI, protect everything around it.